guys, how's it going? So I'm back today with a different type of video. So today is going to be a 2-for-1 mix type of video. So I'm going to do a hair review and a makeup tutorial. Now this unit was sent to me from OMGherhair.com. So it's about 4.5 inches of parting space in the front. It is a lace front wig, so you only get the lace in the front. Obviously you guys can see I glued this one down using the Got To Be Glue method. This one is actually pretty nice. It is pre-plucked in the very front. I did go in after and pre-pluck the sides, but this one laid pretty flat. I am a medium cap size, so this one fits my head precisely. I definitely think this is a unit that you guys are really going to like. Stay tuned. I do start the part when I style the hair about at 7 minutes and 40 seconds, so if you want to watch that part, you can go ahead and skip there. But for the ones who want to see this kind of shimmery, golden, kind of orangey, kind of, you know, those types of eyes that I've recently been wearing, this video should be helpful for you guys. I will list all the items down below, and I will also list everything in the video. You guys can see the foundation I use and all that kind of stuff. This was a fun video. The look comes out so freaking glamorous. You guys are going to love it. I often get asked about my eyeshadow, so I wanted to show you guys the palette. So this is kind of like one of those cool tone palettes from Morphe. Now I got this palette at Ulta for about like 20 something dollars, 25. Now this is a 3502 Second Nature palette. So a lot of the colors in here are kind of like those orangey tones, red tones, kind of sparkly shimmery tones, light brown tones, dark brown tones. So it's a really versatile palette. I definitely think this palette is great for all skin tones. I've been wearing these eyeshadows for practically a little bit towards the end of the summer into the fall. I absolutely love this. I get so many compliments on my eyeshadows now, and I'm not really a big eyeshadow person. My blending skills are terrible, but I'm still trying. I'm trying to do different things. I hope you guys like this, and if you have not gotten your hands on this palette, definitely go to Ulta. They sell it at Ulta. You won't get it there. You won't get it anywhere else for a cheaper price because you have to pay for shipping from the actual Morphe website. So going to Ulta is probably going to be your best bet. my dark-skinned women out there, my dark-skinned girls, the girls who really like to be bronze and really have a nice defined bronze, I'm definitely going to recommend to you guys that you guys get the CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronze. This is the Q120. Now this is probably the best bronzer I've ever used. This is like crack to me. Now a lot of the CVS's and a lot of the drugstores do not have the Queen Collection anymore, so I got this off of Amazon and I'll link it down below for you guys. If you're looking for a bronzer with like a little bit of a red tone and brownish tone that's really going to give you that contour look, this is definitely a must-have. Alright people, so now that the makeup is complete, now it's time to get into the hair. So I basically split this down the middle and I'm using my hot comb just to flatten the surface. Now I always do straight styles. I haven't done kind of like a curled style in a while. So I am going to go in with my curling wand and give myself some pretty curl wand set. Now I want something that's a little bit of a soft curl, not too tight. So I'm going to do just drop curls like this and spray with some hairspray just to give it that nice kind of like ringlet look. I am going to finger comb these out. I wanted to try something different. This hair is a light Yaki texture, which is number one, 100% beautiful. I absolutely love this. It is a light density. It's about 130% density, but the light Yaki texture just makes it look so full, so pretty, and it definitely looks like it can be, you know, African American hair. It mimics my hair texture, so it's definitely a plus for me. I love these texture wigs. I think that they're great, and this one even has 4.5 inches of parting space, so you definitely can't go wrong. a moment right here to appreciate how beautiful this freaking wig is. Now I am going to do a quick little switch up right here. Now the baby hairs got on my damn nerves, so guess what I decided to do, people? I decided to chop them little baby hairs the hell off. Now you don't need baby hairs, honestly. It's going to give it more of a realistic look. Just keep on watching. Alright people, so this is the finished look. So I wanted to do a makeup tutorial and combine it with a hair review. So this is the finished look of this unit. So this unit was sent to me from OMGherhair.com. So it's about 4.5 inches of parting space. It is a lace front unit, so only has lace in the front right here and just a little bit of lace in the back. There did come like a little patch of lace, so if you want to glue this down in the back, you can. Now what I did with this one is just split it down the middle. I did a curl wand set. I don't even know where my curl wand is at, but it's pretty expensive, so I'll link down kind of something that's similar, that's cheaper. I just did curl wands all over, and then I ran my hands through it. I did use the Got to Be Glue Guardian Angel heat protectant spray. I use this all the time on my hair. I'll also link that down below. I also did go with the Chi Helmet Head hairspray. This stuff right here is actually really, really good. It's the same thing. It works just as well as the Aussie Instant Freeze, but I did run out of that, so I had some of this left. And this is pretty good. It does give the hair a nice kind of like formulated kind of curl pattern. I did comb it out, so therefore you'll see like it's a little bit frizzy, but you'll still see the style of the kind of loose wave look that I was going for. So I think that this came out very nice. Now as far as the makeup goes, I try to show you guys a little bit of my foil eyes that I've been doing. I'm not really good at, like, you know, creasing and all that kind of stuff, so I did my best bet. This is the best that Dom I can do, and I'm going to work on it and improve it, but I want to give you guys a simple makeup tutorial on, like, the looks I've been going for. Kind of nice highlighty look, kind of like dark eyes, kind of like, you know, smoldering little eyeshadow and, like, nice sparkles. This really pops these contact lenses. Now, these contact lenses, I will link them down below. They're from Eye Candy Wear, and I'll link down their -150 prescription, and I'll put in the video exactly what color these are. I did get sent a lot of contacts from them, so I'm going to do another video on these contacts. I feel like with this makeup look, these contacts look really, really nice. As far as my lip goes, I'll leave all the information down. It's kind of like my regular mauve lip. I do need to find some type of moisturizer because I'm always cracking up, especially with these heavy matte lipsticks, so I'm definitely going to find something. But I kept it pretty nude base, highlight here, highlight on nose. I'm highlight crazy now. I hope it's not too offensive to some of you guys, but I think that overall the look came out very nice, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more videos like this, guys, just leave your comments down below. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.